Let's talk about Asana. This is a great tool to help you take your real estate business to the next level. And I'm going to share with you some of my favorite ways of how I use Asana in my business. This tool is going to help you become more productive, more efficient, and it's going to help you allow you to manage really everything in your life, not just your business. Stay with me. I'm going to do a quick introduction and I'm going to dive into my four best tips for leveraging Asana. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate agent with EXP Realty Brokerage, and I'm also a CRM peer coach with Inside Real Estate. I would really appreciate it if you could click that subscribe button, stay connected so that we can learn and grow together. Remember, everything I share on this channel is from my own experience of coaching real estate, working with realtors, and being a real estate agent myself and a real estate investor. And prior to becoming a realtor, I'm a marketer that turned realtor. I used to work in marketing for over a decade, and I bring all of those experiences and skill sets to you here. So I would also appreciate it if anything that you want to learn here, leave it in the comment section below. We can work together and I can make content that is applicable for you, my followers. So I really appreciate it. And I want to also mention that if you're looking to join a brokerage, switch brokerages, and if you want to work with me and partner with me here at EXP Realty, you can click on that link in the description below, book a private call with me one-on-one, and learn all about it. So now let's talk about Asana and why this tool is so great. This is a project management tool, folks. This is kind of like your digital to-do list. This has your calendar integrated. It's going to help you manage and build systems in your business in all aspects, from managing marketings to managing your staff if you have any, to managing all aspects of your transaction. And this is a great way to not only have it accessible through desktop, but it's also a mobile version through mobile app as well. And for me, one of my favorite ways and tips of leveraging this tool is that it has a tagging functionality and tracking all the conversation in one place. So for every project that I work on, I include, and my husband, Josh Tavares, he's also my domestic team partner here at EXP, and also my virtual assistants, my video editor, your interns or transaction coordinators. You can actually put them in the system to invite them and tag them for any of the tasks that they're responsible for, and tag a date, a due date to them, and have conversations there. And this allows you to stay away from confusion and delegate and manage relationship a lot better. And the second favorite tips that I recommend all of you do is every transaction looks different, but at the end of the day, you still have to do the same similar type of form. There's still very particular process and systems that you have to go through for every transaction, from uploading paperwork to sky slopes to getting a particular form signed by your broker, etc. So my recommendation is putting all of the files together, or creating a template rather, of all of the tasks that needs to be done for that project, and also the subtask. And you can duplicate this template and this project management, this process for every transaction. So this helps you really put everything in one place and track all of your projects per projects, with each timelines, with all of the tasks that are needed and included are there, so you don't forget a single step. And that's why for me, I leverage, putting all my videos in one place. I know exactly what videos are coming on next, exactly what scripts needs to be done, what the timeline is, and all of my social media posts that I post and launch, even scheduling them in. And I love putting together drafts because I always get different ideas of what to post on social media. So I get to go into my calendar, and you can do, and this is my third favorite tips that I want to share with you, is you can create projects and different projects for all of your different systems and work that you do, whether it be social media. You can create a project for that and create the view that you can create. Instead of a board or a checklist, you can actually choose a calendar view and put all of your social media posts that are going to come according to the date. And you can put it in draft form. And if you have a social media manager, you could tag them as well to have it be posted there. So that's another tip that I love using, is everything is in one place. You have a digital to-do list, nothing gets missed, and you never feel overwhelmed. And the other tip that I want to share with you too is your personal projects, like your personal things in life, paying a bill, taking care of, your laundry, your dishes, your children's school, and play dates, anything that is going to come up in your personal life as well, that adds to your to your plate, especially as an entrepreneur, it can get really overwhelming. So I recommend you create a project just for your personal task and errands that you need to run, and you can build them into your daily workflow so nothing gets missed. And my fourth favorite tip is that you can actually drag and drop your calendar view. So let's say you're looking at what's due today, and let's say you feel overwhelmed that there's a lot that needs to be done. You can actually look at the list and delegate between what's urgent, what's important, and drag the other items into another date so that you could think about it later. So you don't feel overwhelmed and you are maximizing your potential and what you can get done for that day. And yet the end of the day, you get things that are done, that are the most important, that are pertaining to your clients, to your business, and things get done. So I highly recommend you look into Asana. If there's more videos that you want to learn more about Asana, I highly recommend you check out my channel. I did a couple of more videos explaining this great tool, kind of going into and sharing my screen as well. So have a look. Let me know what you think about it. And I hope this tool is great at helping building your business and making it that much easier for you as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, I would love it if you can click on that subscribe button, stay connected. And also, if you're looking to partner with me at eXp Realty, you can click on that link right there and book a call with me one-on-one, or you can proceed to naming me as your sponsor and you get access to all of my resources and training for free. I'll see you next time.